In this video, I will show you how to enable Face ID or fingerprint login in the Scotiabank app. First, log into the bank app using your username and then password. Once logged in, go to the settings or security section inside the app. Look for biometric login options such as Face ID or fingerprint. Then, turn the option on and confirm your choice. The app may ask you to verify using your password at least one time. Also, make sure the Face ID and fingerprint is already enabled in your system settings. Go to settings, search for Face ID and password, enter your passcode, and then make sure that you have enabled your Face ID and password in your phone system setting. After this, log out of the app and then try logging in again using your face or fingerprint. Biometric login is now active and you will make future logins faster and more secure. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.